in Southern California. This Pasadena's $20 million move from Chelsea, Casey.
Yeah.
It looked like a sneak peek of what the Jude Bellingham era might bring. AC Milan and Real Madrid.
Figure out that attack, and clearly some big names are missing with football.
And that was a very different. Real Madrid have already had their one friendly, which they won comfortably, but it's these two juggernauts.
Maybe going to be able to run quite a distance to get into the AC Milan back third, but
man who costs considerably less there. Marcelo getting his first touch. The slip was nicely works. Just a little too strong. Madrid surging forward with numbers. Little leave. Quick thinking. Lucas Vazquez with an invitation attached, and the shot was low and fizzed, and just the wrong side of Sportiello's goal. Valverde again.
Real Madrid have done an excellent job of them keeping that possession and trying to combine in these kind of areas.
Lurking left-hand side of the penalty area, looking for a quick combination. Perhaps the shot was on there. Now Pabega with some quick footwork. It's isolated. Can he find the right cross? He can, and it needed Mondi's intervention at the last to put it behind to safety.
Yeah, it's been two really good plays in succession from Christian Pulisic, getting isolated out on the wing, and then
6 to aim for inside the penalty area. The near post flick arrived. It was emergency measures taken by Valverde to clear it behind. Stay there. Going to get on the end of this. He was crashing in. He wears the number 14 shirt for the first time tonight for Real Madrid. And what a task he has, Casey, at least for now.
Yeah, you need...
Taking over, and Marcelo on full stretch couldn't quite connect with a toe end.
Well, it starts further up the pitch where it does a really good job, as you mentioned, from Diaz to create and then combine.
Bellingham. Lovely work. Pulisic picks off that errant clearance. Pulisic trying to tee it up for Loftus-Cheek.
But it starts to open up a little bit more as reinforcements were slow.
Picked up the edge of the area. Oh, and Colombo could have made an early name for himself. Lorenzo Colombo, the 21-year-old, boosting 7-0 win to start their pre-season campaign, and now looking to push on. It's Pulisic again, who's the youngest ever goal scorer for Dortmund. As the recovery was a fair one.
Or, I guess, visible role than
Real Madrid trying to go back to business again. Jude Bellingham, lovely cut, and Bellingham asking for handball.
With Jude Bellingham making that decision, and then it just took a really nice block, and then a 57
as Colombo didn't hear the approaching footsteps. And now Camavinga to Kroos from distance. That's a couple of efforts that have... Pulisic feeding it in, and it's AC Milan who have broken the deadlock. Fantastic corner, and a thumping header from close range from Tomori. Now the Rossoneri fans may be outnumbered here, and it's they who are making the noise in the Rose Bowl.
Yeah, just really good service into the box. Maybe a little bit of a question on Lunin with the ball against lower division opposition in his first match, already in this first half.
Field territory again, it's picked up on the move, and a second is not that far away. Something different by design, doesn't he? It's a nice layoff. Raheem trying to return the favour, just beyond. He was very happy with the summer business Real Madrid did.
Macias just goes down and says, you know what, it's probably better.
They're up at the age of 16 years and 9 months. Who's trying to work it for Bellingham, whose instinctive touch is in the spectacle thus far. Vasquez. Pulisic doing well to recover after his feet went from under him, and well, it was an inadvertent.
A little trailing arm, maybe.
Yeah, flailing hand. Militao. Some space to surge into. Languid dribbling style of his. Brahim hasn't been afraid to shoot a
player in the right position. They have him.
Bellingham getting free, and the shot from Militao seemed to be goal bound, but Simic. Lovely campus of UCLA, where they feel very much at home. Carlo Ancelotti loves the surroundings. Lax clearance though by the AC Milan team is punished in some style, and it's Luca Romero off the bench and into the headlines. What a hit from Romero, and it's the Rossoneri who double their advantage here.
You said it was just a loose clearance that was won back very well, and then it bounces. It's just unnecessary, but it's well.
Him again. Lucas Vasquez getting to the byline, clipping it across, and Sportiello was at full strength. Bellingham trying to cushion the header down. And indeed, it's the first half that comes to a conclusion. So the Tomori header. Madrid bench, none at all from AC Milan, no one out.
That we'll see big changes from Milan as well, but into probably more than 60 minutes. But I mean, the list keeps going on. I mean, I think there was an expectation.
And Rudiger for Militao. So Carvajal, Rodrigo looking to turn on the jets. Rodrigo! Years. Seeing his team trying to come back.
No.
Oh, it's a gift. Well, Valverde will take the credit, but it's Sportiello who will take the blame. And this crowd at the Rose Bowl coming to life.
Yeah, Rodrigo finds Valverde, and he just kind of tops.
Oh, it's picked off now, and Valverde's at it again! Absolutely nothing Sportiello could do about this one. Federico Valverde pouncing on the loose ball and pounding it home. And in the space of 2 minutes, Real Madrid are level.
Well, it was AC Milan that capitalized off of Real Madrid's mistakes in the first half. And to start this second half, it's Real Madrid's opportunity.
Pioli's team has produced now. Pulisic trying to get back to where he was in the first half. It's a slaloming.
Well, and really what they're looking for Jude Bellingham is to be that
tantalizing glimpse of what is to come.
100 million commitment to bring him from Borussia Dortmund.
Yeah, just a Vinicius outside of the foot. He was going for that.
I'm not sure he was, Adrian. He kind of put his hand up to apologize to his teammates, so if he was...
More against Florenzi. Carvajal. Rodrigo! Good save. Sportiello. Vinny. Lovely. Luka Modric. Little impudent. Good looking cross. Giroud's header! Great save from Lunin. Olivier Giroud with a wry smile. And Welly. Wow, loves to take players on, and that shot was goal bound, and the follow-up is wide. Tackle definitively now. Vinny Jr. trying to add an exclamation point. Vinny Jr. It's what they came to see tonight. And Vinny Jr. so rarely disappoints. And Real Madrid have come all the way back from 2-0 down to 3-2.